Good afternoon, babies, and welcome back to my channel, What's Cooking Mama. Today I'll be making curry, chicken, and white rice. Okay? And I started out when I cleaned the chicken breast and I cut it up real good, and I put a little salt, pepper, and curry powder, and I seasoned this yesterday. So it's good and seasoned for today for the curry chicken. And I diced up some onions, some sweet peppers, green peppers, tomato, and a little bit of cilantro. And I'm going to be putting some chicken bouillon cubes in the chicken to season it. And I'm going to burn the curry in the oil right now in the pot right here. Put a little bit of oil. Just to cook out the curry, because you don't want to put it, you don't want to put your chicken in the curry when it's not cooked, because it'll have a raw curry taste. So the pot was hot already, so I'm going to take and put my meat that is seasoned in there already. You just move it around. Hot. Put my potatoes in my curry chicken. So now I have to wait for at least 10 minutes. The chicken was already cooking for about a half an hour. So now I guess in another 10 minutes until the potatoes get done. And then I'll come back and show you the finished results of my curry chicken. So the potatoes should be cooked in about 10 minutes. And this come back to a boil. Okay? And if I forgot to mention, I seasoned the chicken last night, and I seasoned it with salt, pepper, curry powder, and thyme. Okay, because I didn't know if I mentioned that earlier, but yeah, that's what I did. So I'm gonna let this come to a boil with the potatoes, and let the potatoes boil for 10 minutes, and then we're gonna plate it. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, and my curry chicken is finished, my rice is finished, and my string beans. So I'm gonna plate it now. And this here is my curry chicken with over white rice with string beans. Okay, thank you for watching, and I hope you'll go and make this dish. I know it's gonna taste delicious. Thank you for watching, and please go watch my daughter's channel, Kaya Monet. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.